Look up at the night sky. Billions of tiny pinpricks of light. But did you know that every one of them is a raging nuclear inferno? A cosmic powerhouse so powerful that it can create planets, destroy worlds, and even warp time itself. From the sun, which gives us life, to hypergiant stars that make our entire solar system look microscopic. Let us dive into the epic story of stars, how they are born, how they die, and the mysteries they still hide. And could there be a type of star out there that defies physics entirely? Stay tuned to find out. So, what exactly is a star? Well, if you think of it as just a big ball of fire in space, think bigger. A star is a massive sphere of hydrogen and helium undergoing constant nuclear fusion, generating unimaginable amounts of heat and light. Every second, our sun converts around 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium, releasing energy that keeps our entire solar system alive. But not all stars are the same. Some are as small as a city, while others are so massive they could swallow our entire solar system, and then some. Let's take a look at the different types of stars out there, some of which are so extreme, they shouldn't even exist. Just like living things, stars are born, they live, and eventually, they die. But their deaths can be spectacularly violent or eerily silent. Stars are born in massive clouds of gas and dust called nebulae, stellar nurseries where gravity pulls material together until nuclear fusion ignites. A star will spend millions to billions of years fusing elements, growing hotter and larger over time. But when a star runs out of fuel, things take a dramatic turn. When a star dies, it doesn't just fade away. It can explode in a cosmic event so powerful, it outshines an entire galaxy. A supernova is the explosive death of a massive star, blasting elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron across the universe. Literally the building blocks of life. And here is something crazy. The atoms in your body were once inside a star that exploded billions of years ago. You are, quite literally, made of stardust. But not all stars explode. Some just cool down into small, dense remnants called white dwarfs, the fate of our sun in about 5 billion years. And if the star is massive enough, it collapses into something so powerful that not even light can escape, a black hole. More on that in another video. Most people know about normal stars like the sun, but there are some out there that defy everything we thought we knew about physics. Neutron stars. After a supernova, some stars collapse into a tiny ultra-dense core. A teaspoon of neutron star material weighs as much as Mount Everest. Pulsars. These neutron stars spin so fast they emit beams of radiation, blinking on and off like a cosmic lighthouse. Some spin over 700 times per second. Magnetars. The most magnetic objects in the universe. If one was even 1,000 kilometers away, it would rip the iron out of your blood. Isn't that terrifying? Hypergiants. The biggest stars in existence. Some, like UY Scuti, are 1,700 times the size of our sun. If it replaced the sun, it would extend beyond Jupiter. We rely on the sun for life, but one day it will turn against us. In about 5 billion years, the sun will expand into a red giant, swallowing Mercury and Venus. Planet Earth might escape, or it might be incinerated. Eventually, the sun will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a glowing shell of gas, what we call a planetary nebula. Its core will become a white dwarf, slowly cooling over trillions of years, until it becomes a cold, dark remnant called a black dwarf. But don't worry, you and I won't be around when this happens. Unless, of course, humanity has figured out how to escape to another star by then. Here is the real mystery. Could there be a type of star out there that breaks the laws of physics? Strange stars. Theoretical objects made entirely of quark matter, an ultra-dense, exotic material that could be left over from the Big Bang. Dyson sphere stars. Some scientists believe that an advanced alien civilization could build a megastructure around a star to harness its energy. If we ever see one, it might be proof of extraterrestrial intelligence. And then there is the most mind-boggling idea. Could a star be alive? Some astrophysicists theorize that certain energy patterns in space could mimic biological processes, and therefore could be a form of cosmic life. What do you think? Stars are the true powerhouses of the universe. They create life, destroy worlds, and even shape the very fabric of existence. Which type of star fascinates you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love space mysteries, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We have so much more to explore. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up.